Every detail must be precise, just as the original design specifies. The weight distribution is critical for the final balance.
Its iconic design shows two athletes lifting the planet Earth. The trophy measures 36.55 centimeters in height. Brilliant 18-karat gold surface reflects workshop lighting.
The texture is forming well around the contours.
Yes, Master, it is ready for the next layer.
Very good.
The ceramic-covered trophy returns for another protective coating layer. Workers carefully dip the model.
This cutaway view really highlights the internal mechanism. Pay close attention to how the lubrication channels interact with the main shaft right here.
If it was solid gold, it would weigh between 70 and 80 kilograms. It is genuine gold, but it is not solid gold all the way through.
The actual weight is 6.175 kilograms.
Inches. Bright workshop lighting illuminates a traditional Italian goldsmith workshop beautifully. Experienced craftsmen prepare.
The base is formed from two bands of malachite.
The underside carries the names of every World Cup winner.